everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of a package I just got in the mail. The package is from OHM Beads, so I'm really excited to do this unboxing for you guys. I got my first OHM Beads like a year and a half, just a little over a year ago. And I remember thinking, oh my gosh, how cute are the little boxes that OHM Beads come in. So I thought that my review of my OHM haul would just be a complete unboxing. So stay tuned for a closer look at my OHM Beads. All right, so here's the package. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh wait, what's the easiest way to do this? Okay, so I see, let's see. So just my invoice of what I ordered. Before we look at these, what are these? What did this come with? These little OHM stickers. That is so cute. I have not ever seen these. So these are really fun. All right, we have one with a little sleep mask. We have one meditating. We have one little like gnome guy saying hi. XOXO, are you crying? What's happening here? That might be a sleepy mask too. I'm actually not sure. Please take care. This is me all day. Ooh, this is me all day too. Presley, that's you. What's he doing?
He's going potty.
That is so funny and silly. So that's really cute. Over here we have some beads, beads of the month. Oh, I really wish I would have gotten this one, you guys. It's adorable. So,
can we open that now?
We're almost gonna open it.
Open this now.
Ooh, and they sent a catalog too. Oh, okay. This is pretty exciting. How cute is the rocking horse?
Do you want the rocking horse?
I basically want all of them all the time. This is really fun, you guys. This was not in my first OHM purchase, by the way, so that's a pleasant surprise. Okay, now let's get to the beads. So we have paper with OHM written on it. I'll get a polishing cloth here. And then this package. This is actually not how my package has been done before, so let's open it and take a look at what this is gonna be like. Oh, it has little compartments. Isn't that fun? Presley, I'm gonna take them out and then I'm gonna hand them to you, okay? We'll start with this one. First one is Invisible Man. This is obviously from my Halloween bracelet. And I will get really close-up pictures of these, you guys, for the end of this video. Or maybe I'll insert them somewhere in the middle, we'll see. He's so cute. I really wanted the Invisible Man because one of the first movies that Presley and I loved was Hotel Transylvania 2. And this reminds me of the Invisible Man on there with the cute little floating glasses. Here, Presley, you wanna see it?
Mm-hmm. Wow, he's so cute.
He's so cute, huh?
I know.
Okay.
Can I put it right here?
You sure can. The next one, which was a must-have for Halloween, was Mummy. And he's also adorable, obviously for a Halloween themed bracelet too, but might just be cute enough to wear year-round. He's pretty adorable. Hey, what do you think of our little mummy?
It's so cute.
It's pretty cute, huh? What do you like about him?
That's really cute.
Yeah. You can, what do you want to say?
Okay,
Okay, I'll just give it to you. Cool.
it's cute too.
So the next ones, you guys, I honestly struggled with if I was going to get them. And then it dawned on me that it absolutely made 100% sense to get them. Because as you know, I'm building a like peace, love, kindness, unity bracelet. And when I was looking for my wish list items, I saw this. And it says, "Your world" is written on this heart, and we're holding it. So
Gimme.
I just thought that was so special to say we basically hold the world in our hands, right? And it's up to us of how we treat it. So I loved it.
Gimme.
As you may or may not know,
Oh, it's so cute.
it is so cute, huh? I hesitate mixing brands, but then I thought if this is about bringing everything and everyone together, why not mix brands? Because it was perfect. So then I had to take it a step further and say, well, if I'm gonna mix brands, each of my section on my Pandora bracelet needs to have one OHM bead in there. So that led me to find these other ones. This one I believe is called Humanity. Strength of Humanity. So on here, this has really cute detail. It has the hands. It has a peace sign in there. You have roots in a tree and a house and stars. And actually, you know what? There is some pretty, does it have it in here? No. Presley, where's your phone? Let's see. Hold on. I need to find Presley's phone, so I need to look this up. Okay. So I found some details on this. Like this bread. Okay, so I found some details on this. This says, this is part of the community design project. Why is the lighting funky? Oh, because I have the phone right there. Okay, let's not do that. The Strength of Humanity was designed by the community of Omali, OHM plus family. The design took shape over many conversations online with a plethora of Ohmies. A big part of the theme was around symbolism. Part of the literal strength of humanity is our ability to read and understand symbols. Through these, we can view our long and storied past. 4 beacons radiate in the night sky. The elements of all of creation were birthed from the stars. Strength of Humanity features 4 of these stars in the night sky. We can see them there. These have been engraved to represent hope, beauty, pain, and light. Hope for ourselves, for all of humanity with which we are connected. Beauty found in the short experience of being alive. Pain in the knowledge that our lives are finite. And in experiencing the angst of our collective human soul. Light. As humanity strengthens its global bonds across the world, we bask in shared enlightenment. OHM, the sound of light itself. The massive shadow of our home planet casts a pattern across the celestial body, the moon. We track the shadow for millennia. Engraved across the bead is the complete lunar cycle from full to new and back again. You can see that at the very top. With every new moon, we embrace the darkness and consider our inner thoughts. And with the full moon comes a climax of our collective energy when the hunt is at its peak. All right. Life was seeded on this planet and has flourished. The massive tree of life, or giving tree, is symbolized here with branches providing protection, a thick trunk providing stability, and roots digging deep into the planet, interconnecting us all to this thing we call life, with a capital L. Trees sustain us with their fruit and air purifying powers. Humanity is in partnership with itself and with all life on this planet. Sorry guys, this is a little long. While we make our way through life, we yearn for this place called home. This can be a physical house, a tent in the woods, or a wagon that we carry behind us. Our home symbolizes sanctuary, a safe place for family to gather, to keep warm, to provide security and shelter. We all come from somewhere. The tribe of humanity is vast, and we are each at home on planet Earth. Under the tree of life is a house, a symbol to meditate on. I am home.
I am home.
Among the skies, one star has become our life force. The sun, whose gravity was pulled in the dust of the universe floating on the solar winds. The stardust is what we are all made of. Representing the sun are 14 sacred circles of light engraved, 7 above and 7 below as humanity reaches for its kin. So we have going on this side. I should turn this side up. A pinnacle trait of humanity is our willingness and ability to reach out and help. When we reach out to lift Another up, we participate and co-write the story of us. Our hands are gateways to our skills and knowledge. A simple touch has the power to affirm and heal. The two hands here encourage us to keep reaching for each other, even though it can take work to stay positive and optimistic, allowing us to access the empathy that we hold within ourselves, bringing us closer as we all contribute to the strength of humanity. Humanity's greatest goal is world peace, the embracing of compassion, kindness, freedom, and enlightenment. The age of Aquarius is symbolized in the timely undulation along the scalloped wave edge of this bead. We see in the center of the bead is a symbol of peace. Through peace we find freedom. Through freedom we will find enlightenment. This is just such a beautiful charm, and going through all of that, and I know it was long, how do you not put something like this on a bracelet that basically you want to represent all of the above? And I did it all on one bead. Okay, last but not least, I have world peace. You have a tiny little people standing around the world. It says peace up here. Oh, it says joy right there. This is adorable. So, I absolutely love this charm too. I love all of them. I'm really happy that I got them. This is such a cute little box. Before I've seen them in like individual boxes, but they all have kind of this wooden or this box look to them. So really happy with my haul. What did you guys think? Do you ever buy OHM? Are you familiar with OHM? I love them. And hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. I cannot wait to put this on my bracelet. It's gonna be amazing. And I'm really happy with how they came out. I hadn't seen them in person, so this makes me pretty happy. Anyway, I hope all of you guys are doing fantastic. I have a couple videos that are currently in the making. I did take advantage of the 45% off sale going on here in the US currently, as well as not Pandora related, not charm related. I am working on a Kate Spade video for all of you, showcasing all the Kate Spade stuff that I have. I have from her clothes to her bathroom stuff to dishes and of course purses. So I will be sharing that with you guys here shortly. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.